All right, guys, so this is the F350 I've been working on. Fixed the wiring on the ambient temperature sensor over here. It doesn't look pretty now because I just fixed it just basically to confirm my fix and all that. So this is confirmed. This is good now. No more codes here. Next thing we did is I ran a scan, engine off, no codes, engine on, no codes. But then I did a cylinder compensation test, and cylinder number one shoots a code P0623. So I'm just gonna get closer to show you guys what I'm doing. I'm over here testing resistance on injector number one. And what we do is we'll disconnect the connector right there at the valve cover. Let me go closer 1 second. So we disconnect this connector right there, and then I'm already tapped into injector number one. This is your injector number one, and the blue lead is going to be your ground. So what I'm doing right now is testing resistance. Okay, I have the scope hooked up here. I'm gonna basically connect the leads and let's see what we read, what kind of reading we get. So I used my fluke and I got 3.4 ohms, but now for some reason here it says injector resistance should be less than 2 ohms. So let's see what the Zeus reads. So now that I have them connected, again, so the red one is going to be injector number one, and then the blue one is going to be the ground. The ground is common to all of them, okay, to all injectors. So now if I want to test the next injector, I just have to move that red lead to the pin right next to it. My camera keeps switching over. Okay, so my fluke was not wrong. It is reading right at 3.4. The highest point for those is going to be 3.6. 3.4 is good. It's okay. It's really weird why this is telling me 2 ohms. Now I'm gonna do the same thing with my glow plugs and see what it reads. So the glow plugs, the pins for the glow plugs are gonna be the thicker ones. Hold on, where am I? Zoom out. Oh, I'm here. Okay. So the pins for the glow plugs, if you look here, you can't really see it, but you have pins thicker than other pins. 2 on the right and then 2 on the left. There's a mosquito here after me. Okay, so basically if they use the same ground, all I have to do is move that red lead stupid camera, 2 pins over. Oh, one pin over. Well, I think I was wrong. Let me see what my fluke says. Fluke says nothing. Got off. Let's go back to some wiring diagrams. I'm gonna keep this open. I'm gonna go to this one here. Go back here. Diagrams. Okay, we're gonna go to powertrain management. This is federal. Gonna make this bigger. Then we're gonna select this. Glow plugs. Our glow plugs are right here. So all those brown ones, we'll see them coming out of the connector. Okay, so how are they grounded? So those are my injectors here. Injector number one basically goes through that thinner tan wire, and then the orange one is their common ground. Am I learning something new here? glow plugs don't have a ground? Or am I not seeing it? Oh, they're grounded. They're grounded at the block. I think this is what this means. Right here. Okay, so let's find out. So if I take this off and scratch this a little bit to get good contact. I need a better contact point. So if I put what's supposed to be the negative at the negative post over here, 0.6. I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna move the blue pin. Is it blue one? No, well, the blue one doesn't matter anymore. It's the red one we're working with right now. So I'm gonna move the red pin, well, the red lead one pin over and see what kind of reading I get. So the second pin is also for a glow plug. Yep. Okay. So my lazy self, so I don't have to go into all data and look for it. 0.5 to 2 for a glow plug. Ideally close to 0.6 to 0.8 when cold. It's Texas, it's hot as hell right now. Let's see how it says to measure it. Disconnect the valve cover harness, blah, blah, blah. Use it, blah, blah, okay. Touch one lead glow plug terminal and the other to a ground. Engine block, there we go. Yep, so we're good, I guess. So now that I checked basically resistance on those things, so this is what it says the common or probable causes for this DTC. Compression rings, connecting rod, fuel injector assembly, fuel injectors, push rod, rocker arm fasteners, valves. Okay, so now that we checked the wiring, and really the next thing is going to be removing the valve cover gasket, or the valve cover, I'm sorry, removing the valve cover to check that valve train, see what's going on down there. It's 5:47. Time to go home. This is going to be something for tomorrow. ¿Verdad, Arturo? Yeah, but mañana?
Claro que sí.
Okay, so basically if we go back a little, the 2 ohms here is not for the injectors. It's for the glow plugs. Okay, but it says injector resistance, so this threw me off. This is not right. Glow plug resistance should be under 2 ohms and injector resistance should be ideally at 3.4. If not, I think the max is 3.6. Arturo over here is trying to figure out timing for that 06 Ford. Ahí está el primero si quieres. Ajá, timing chain. Ahorita en la esquina aquí. Oh, no tiene. Ok, entonces vas para atrás. Aquí arriba. No. Aquí, esta flechita. La flechita. Para atrás, esta. Ajá. Y entra en cualquier uno de esos. Timing chain guide, timing chain tensioner. Todos son lo que. Este no lo tiene tampoco. So otra vez para atrás. El guide, el que dice guide. Ajá. Tampoco no tiene. No, es timing cover gasket. What's up, baby girl? What's up, Goose? Handsome boy. Here comes Jelly Belly. Hello. This is the real Jelly Belly. Oy, oy, oy. Where are you going? We're doing timing on this. We're doing lifters, rocker arms on one bank. Oh, and doing oil pump as well. He had some ticking on one side, so I always replace everything. And if we need to replace camshaft, we're replacing camshaft too.